In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Hit Open under Google and choose Google Password Manager. Now tap on any password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button. Change wherever you want to, and when you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!